Welcome back, seekers. Today's word is elusive. Repeat after me, elusive. And I'll show you five stylish words to express something that's hard to catch. First up is slippery, hard to hold on to it, literally or figuratively. Example, the concept was slippery for beginners. Second one is evasive. Avoid capturing or direct answers. For example, his evasive answers frustrated the reporters. Third one I have for you, ambiguous. Repeat after me, ambiguous. It means not clear. The meaning of the poem remained ambiguous. Fourth one I have for you is mysterious, always out of full understanding. The disappearance was mysterious and chilling. And finally, fleet, here one moment, gone the next. Happiness can sometimes feel fleeting. Don't let English be elusive. Grab it with me every week. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in my next episode.